Hey there, come take a walk with me. Let's look at some birds and bird houses that surround this property. This is that purple martin house that we have the additional halo around to help protect the fledglings that are all hanging out on this box, as we've had some challenges with other predators, and this helps them to fledge a little bit more successfully. This is a brown thrasher, seeking insects out in the wide open. Or normally you would find it up next to a landscape bed. This particular unit has one egg laid so far by a red-bellied woodpecker. These are mottled ducks taking a bath. And directly above them is an osprey perched on a coconut palm frond. And perched on the barrier is a brown pelican and a great blue heron today, balancing the beam. And every now and again down at Lake Edge, you find these special guys. There's your roseate spoonbill. Also right next to it on the other cypress knee is an anhinga. Female, has tan upper parts and that sharp pointed bill. Thanks for taking a moment to look at wildlife around this beautiful property. Take care.